we've got a new toy, a new fire pit, so we thought get a fire lit and we cook tea on the fire tonight. So yeah, so we've got a nice bit of steak, some mushrooms, and we're going to get them cooked over the fire, and like being on camp, only in the back garden. Okay, so there you go, we've got a nice couple of pieces of steak and some mushrooms wrapped up there in the foil, and just cook them nicely over the embers. Well, that's just about cooked, or when Tina likes it, cremated. So we'll just serve them up onto the plates now. There you go, all cooked on the fire. Well, most of it cooked on the fire. So until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.